Sonia Miller of Jug Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my daily vlog called Living the Creative Life. You never know what we get into. Right now we are in the middle of a move. And there may or may not be beasts behind me. Do you hear that? The hounds are ready to be released. So today was an interesting day because we loaded up not one, but two chihuahuas with a whole lot of tude. Yeah, hear the beast back there? So today was the day that we packed them up to transport them from our old home to this home, which is a drive of over 2 hours, depending on traffic, of how long it actually takes. But let me just say, it was a couple of hours with a couple chihuahuas, one that enjoys a drive, one that does not want to drive. So we brought them up in the van in, like, Matt found this really cool mesh play pin. I'll show you in a second what it looks like. We threw them in a blanket, and they were, other than getting sick, and we had to clean up the mess halfway through, but they did well overall. We got them here. We got them here, you know what I'm saying? So now they're in the garage, and they're in the playpen still. No, I think they're outside. I lied. They're out. We had them in the playpen. We let them out. They've been running around, and seriously, they are two beasts behind the door behind me now, waiting to get out. So I will go. So if you haven't already met Tiki and Oreo on this vlog, you're about to now. So get ready to say hello. Side note, I found these cute $5 rugs when I took you with me to Gabe's, to my discount shopping, and I am in love with them. All right, let's go ahead. Do you see them down there? Hey. Oh, there's Oreo taking a drink. Where's Tiki? Tiki's probably sitting right by the door. Yeah. Tiki's waiting right by the door, so as soon as I open this knob, she's gonna be like a rush. No, stay, stay. No, stay, wait. All right, go back, go back, go back, go back, get back, get back, get back. Go, 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 go. All right, let's check out your bed. Let's check out your bed. Come here. So this was the little doggy playpen that Matt found. Actually, when we were at Gabe's, I know you guys are a hot mess. Well, this one is always a hot mess. Tiki here, she's about to have a bubble bath along with Oreo. So he found this really cute little thing right here where, you know, they have been hanging out and, you know, they could breathe and stuff like that. Oreo does like a ride. Tiki does not. Tiki's very vocal. Tiki goes, come here, can you guys go to bed? Show me how to use your bed. Come here, Oreo. Come here. Show me how to use your bed. Good girl. See, she listens. We called her Oreo because you see, when we got her, she had these circles on her back. They looked like Oreos. Huh? Yes, yes, they did. All right, all right. Who's ready? Who's ready? Yeah. And you know what? Dad bought you some new toys. He bought you some new doggy toys. We'll have to show everybody. All right. Yes. Are you yelling at me? Are you yelling at me? You see? Gremlins. Gremlins.
You sure you want to do this? Seriously.
Do we have a choice?
Hey guys, you ready to see your new home? You ready to see your new home?
I think they are. Do you hear?
Come on.
Is all the doors closed?
Come on. Go, 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 go.
Hey, you!
Come on,
Where are you going?
Come on,
Where are you going?
What? Come on, you coming or what?
Tiki has this thing about stairs. Come on, Tiki.
Come on, Tiki. Come on. Come on, Tiki. Almost. Third time's charge. One. Oh, come on, Oreo. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
We didn't even have to say the T-R-E-A-T word.
How you doing? What are you doing? Look around. Look. Oh, my. Look at this. Oh, look at all this turn around. You don't even have to go outside. You don't even have to go outside. Yes. Yes. Oh, my goodness. Oh.
Guys, Matt is working on getting the TV installed right now.
Come on, come on.
So pretty soon we'll have a TV. Woohoo! Release the house.
What are you guys doing? What do you think, huh? Library? You gotta read? Come on, let's go. Yeah. TV.
All right. Oh, let me see if she'll do these stairs. Let me get up to the top.
Hi. Wait, you gonna go see Mom?
Oreo's right behind me.
Yep. Come on, let's go see Mom.
Oreo made it up. Look at her go.
Yeah.
All right, come on, Tiki Bill.
Right, she won't go.
Tiki, Tiki.
You guys gotta go up the stairs. Come on. Come on.
Will she make it?
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go.
Will she make it?
I'm sure she will. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on.
A little engine that could.
God, you can do it. Hey, come on.
Not sure. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Come over here.
Come over here. Come on.
Okay, you want to come this side? Hey, come on. Come up here.
Yeah, maybe you put her against the wall.
Come on, come on. Come on. See, Oreo's here. Yep, yep, come on. You can make it. Come on. Come on, Tiki. Come on. All right.
Everybody say, you can make it, Tiki. Come on, take it, Belle.
She's like, oh no.
Carry me, please. That's what usually happens when you take them for a walk. They end up with like, carry me, please.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Yep, everybody get off step.
Everybody's like,
oh my God.
we won't have to take you outside for a walk. We'll just take you running laps through the house.
Come on.
Where's
Oreo.
Oreo, come on.
Okay.
What you doing? What is it in here? What is it in here? Look at this, guys. I got this really cool bed comforter set right here, so cannot wait to get the bed put together. You guys just wait till you see the bed sets I got. They're gorgeous. All right, where are they to?
They're squealing.
Riley has decided he loves this mattress. And I don't know. Is it possible, you think, to get it up to the 3rd floor? I don't even know. I don't even know. It's amazing. This is the box. This is the mattress that I was telling you guys that they show up in a box.
It's a spring one too. It's
like a Jack in the Box.
It's a hybrid spring and memory foam.
Oh my gosh! She slept on it the other night, and he's like, "Mom, Dad, this is the best night's sleep I've
Where'd
ever
they go?
had." Wow. Oh, Tiki's right there. Come on. Gotta get all my office stuff in there. Look. Hey, Oreo. Riley's not gonna want you up there. So yeah, guys, you think we can get? Stay tuned to find out if this mattress can fit all the way up there.
All right, I'm gonna set us up in here because I think after making that long drive, the dogs, well, they've had their water, but now they deserve some treats. What do you guys think? I know you guys always vote for treats. Look, look, what is it? What is this? Ropes that are big enough to fit into their mouth. That's always a good thing, right? Look, what is it? You guys want to play with?
I forgot you got 2.
Yeah, there's another one out there too.
Alright, there's another.
There you go. Oh, Tiki got that one. She's like, mine.
You do not want to be bit by these things when you're trying to feed them because they are like piranha.
Yes, they are like piranhas. I'm pretty sure they're like gremlins. Don't feed them after midnight. Oreo, come here. Show them what a good dog you are. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Paw. Paw. Good girl. And she nearly ate my finger. Let's try that again. Sit down. Listen, you're gonna get it. Tiki's not gonna get it. Sit down. Sit down. I said your name. Sit down. Paw. Good girl. Don't. Okay. Now Tiki gets treat too. Yes.
Tiki sit.
And Tiki's a wild woman, so she's not gonna sit. No.
Yeah, she's about
All right.
animal.
Who wants a bath? That's the next thing. Who wants a bath?
Here, 2 more.
Who wants a bath? You sit. Paul?
No.
Nope. Oreo, sit. Paul? Thank you. Here you go. It's a work in progress. I think I need a bath. I need a bath. All right. You know what? This is a good thing about this house. Look at me. Oreo, Tiki. Guess what?
Oreo, where are you going?
Oreo, Tiki. You know what? I gotta tell you something. We got big sinks in the basement, and you know what that means? A big sponge bath for the doggies. So after the mess that they've been in today, yes. Who wants a bath? Do you want a bath? No, you don't want a bath. No, she came in and like ran away.
And here's the other thing. Matt picked out a brand new fuzzy bed for them today. So got this at Wally World and at Walmart, of course. And I thought this was cool. So cool. Like, I love how fluffy that is. Don't you love how fluffy that is? Oreo loves her fluffiness. Look at you. Aren't you sweet? They would never know, would they? So yes, BATH. And then hopefully they'll relax here and just kind of settle in for the night. And we're going to go ahead and find a space for them that they can make their own little space here in the house. You like it too? Do you approve? Yeah, you do. Look, Oreo's in bed. You gonna get in bed too? You gonna get in bed too? What do you think?
So tomorrow there's probably going to be some footage in here of those 2 little fuzz pants getting a bath, a bubble bath in the big deep enamel sinks that are in the basement. So stay tuned if you want to see that catastrophe go down, because yeah, these dogs in a bath equals, well, you'll see what I mean. And there's my towels and pillows, and let me just tell you, I'm gonna be taking probably a bath later this evening. I'm gonna go clean some bathrooms, and hopefully I will have a TV this evening so I too can watch YouTube just like you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my vlog. And if you haven't already done so, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the little bell. It will give you an alert every single time there's a new video uploaded here on my channel, and leave me a comment below. Do you have any fur pets in your family? Do they like taking a bath? Or are you like me and have to spell out the word? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.